I'm quite late. I actually forgot I was supposed to be pruning my cucumbers, and most of the buds I'm supposed to be pruning have turned into stems, but they have done amazingly good. I have lots of healthy, huge fruits. I can't believe this happened even without the pruning. I'm trying to be careful so I don't damage the fruit. Look at all these cucumbers. I'm actually really proud of myself. Let me show you how to prune a cucumber. So, like, this is the leaf, and this is the fruit, and the tendril. So what we cut is this extra growth here next to the fruit. Just at the joint. As you prune, always remember to throw away whatever you have removed to avoid rot and spread of diseases to other plants. I'm also pruning my tomato plants today. They didn't do so well. Most of them withered away. I have no idea what really happened to the tomatoes. But I'm glad the few plants we have are already flowering. So like this will be about 6 tomatoes there. You can tell from the number of flowers on it. I'm also applying pesticide on the vegetable garden today. I keep it as natural as possible, so I'm applying wood ash on the vegetables, and it has worked for me for years. So the best wood ash to use is that ash you get from the bean husks. It has worked so well. So this is just ordinary wood. I will get the other one once we harvest beans, and then I'm able to burn the husks and get the ash. We had a hailstorm yesterday, but thankfully it did not damage the leaves of the plant so much. So this is the okra, and they are doing so well, already fruiting and flowering. It's always so satisfying watching your little seeds grow and turn into food. I check my kitchen garden every single day to see the new developments, if there are any diseases, any withering plants, or just to bond with them. They also need some tender loving care, and if you give it that care, it will give that care back to you in the form of food. Thanks for watching. I hope you got inspired. See you soon for the harvest. Bye bye.